Hello, everyone. Let's take a quick look at assignment 4. So you're going to be assessing your own muscular endurance and building a resistance training plan. Here's some resources for you, some info on how to build your own resistance training plan, a YouTube link for great workout demonstration videos, and a YouTube describing FIT programming, which they use as an acronym for resistance training, but we use FIRST, which I know you know what it stands for because you watched the video. So let's see. Things to do. Push-up test. There's a link with form here. I go over it briefly. You're going to see how many good form push-ups you can do. Circle 1, toes or knees. I'd love for you to add here how many you'd like to be able to do by the end of the semester. What a great time this is to practice your push-ups since you have so much time indoors. Same thing for plank and body weight squat. Again, tell me if you're on your toes or knees for the plank. Tell me how many repetitions you're doing for the squat, time for the plank. Some questions to answer for specific benefits of resistance training. Again, full sentences, paragraph format. Do not bullet point list, please. 2 types of muscle fibers. How do they differ? Describe specific features, 3 specific features of each type. What is your primary goal? Endurance, strength, hypertrophy, power. How can you adjust your load, volume, intensity, etc. to reach that goal? You will have to refer to our lecture on resistance training in order to answer these questions. Similarly with defining FIRST here, it's an acronym that we use for developing resistance training programs. However, I want you to describe what each of these terms means. Don't just list the word, but tell me, what does the term actually mean? And then you're going to develop your own resistance training program. So you're going to have a whole week here. If you have a better format that you want to list this in, like you would do it on an Excel document, that's totally fine. But this is the simplest way that you can just number the exercises that you're going to do and list each day. So let's say you're going to work out Monday, Wednesday, Friday. You're going to do a lower body day, an upper body day, and a full body day. I want you to list your exercises. 3 times 10 means 3 sets of 10 repetitions. Hint, that's part of your FIRST acronym. I'd also like for you to tell me somewhere in here how much rest you are going to take. Hint, that's part of your FIRST acronym. How much rest you're going to take in between each exercise. And your repetition should match the goal you set up here. So you'll have to refer to the lecture to figure out how to do that. And then if you're going to use weight at all, which you don't have to, you could put, like, let's say you're going to do squats with 10-pound dumbbells, you can say at 10 pounds and just let me know. And then I want you to talk about how you're going to increase the intensity. How are you going to progress this? Think of our principle of progression as you move forward. Again, complete full sentences here, please. So be thorough on this with your programming, with your answers to questions, with your own assessment. Let me know if you have any question. And again, these resources up here are used to help you develop a resistance training program. At this time, it would be great to build a bodyweight resistance training program you could do a couple times a week at home. And if you all feel comfortable, I can share a few of your programs out with the class so other people can get some good ideas on how to stay fit at home. All right, hope you all are well and safe.